Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today's video is in collaboration with Miss Amechi. We're hosting a Beat the Clock, tidy up whatever room, whether it's living room or your dining room, and you have 15 minutes. So this is the area that I'm going to be cleaning up today, which is going to be my living room. As you guys can see here, I have a little bit of everything everywhere, from couponing to my craft station to my computer station, where I have a little bit of everything over here. And then of course I have a blanket that needs to be put away and some other couple of items. And then I have an area over here I need to clean up, where I need to put some movies away. I have a basket of laundry to fold, and this needs to go to my grandparents. And then I just need to tidy up my little craft station over here. My teacher's desk is clean, so I'm not going to worry about this area, as I just recently cleaned that. You guys can check out that video. It will be linked in my description box down below, and it has a playlist with it, so go check that out. So this is honestly what I do every evening when getting off of work, regardless of the day, regardless of the week. This is really what I do every evening. I come home and make sure that my living room is straight before attempting to edit videos, do homework, or do anything else. I also tend to cook dinner ahead of time during this time, just because my son is in after school until about 5:30. And if you enjoy it, by all means, stay and do you. So I just tend to find things to do around the house, such as this, where Sundays you're kind of like, okay, I have all these clothes to fold. So I just went ahead and folded up the clothes that were in the living room of my daughter, so that we could get ready to put those away. Also, I was glad that I cleaned up, just because you want a great cleaned area for when sitting down and just looking around like, oh my gosh, this is amazing. So I feel like I am about to beat the time, and I think that this is really good because my living room is not that much of a mess. It's just that we have a lot of stuff. So definitely wanting to try to clean up this summer when I get the chance to, and get rid of anything that we don't need, don't want, or just gotta go. So after getting off of work, coming home to do my Beat the Clock challenge, I have officially beat the challenge and I've beat the clock by 9 seconds. So let me just show you guys what my living room is looking like at the moment after beating the clock. So down in my description box, there will be a playlist full of women who are ready to take on the challenge to beat the clock. And they're trying to beat 15 minutes to clean their living room or clean their dining room. So please, after you watch this video to the end, be sure to go and check out the playlist linked in my description box down below. Anyone wanting to join in on some other great collaborations, we have some coming up. You guys can check out those over on my Instagram at Sierra.Davis94. Be sure to inbox me, or you can inbox Miss Amechi, or comment on one of her videos and let her know that you want to join in on one of our video collabs, as these are hosted every Thursday each month. Thanks guys so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below.